Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today onwards we are going to be starting a SOC playlist, and SOC is a major important tool for the cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, nearby 200 plus modules are there, like IAM modules are there, and ethical hacking, penetration testing, and SOC, Security Operations Center. Okay, the part of SOC, first of all we try to understand about the cyber security and information security, the definitions between the cyber security and information security. What is the cyber security and what is the information security? So first we try to understand about the cyber security. Okay, what is the meaning of cyber security, and what is the definition of cyber security, and where we can apply the cyber security concepts. Okay, this focus, basically cyber security focuses on protecting systems, Okay, what are the systems? It is the physical systems. Okay, systems nothing but physical systems. It may be a computer, it may be a printer, it may be a watch, it may be organized, it's a server, it may be a database. Okay, networks, networks, and data from the cyber threats. Data from the cyber threats focuses on protecting systems, networks, and from cyber threats. Okay, cyber threats, and cyber threats such as hacking, Okay, hacking is one concept. Malwares and phishing phishing. Okay, yeah, phishing focuses on protecting systems, networks, and from the cyber threats such as hacking, malware, and phishing. It deals primarily with the digital. So please try to understand. It deals primarily with digital. What is the meaning of digital? Digital nothing but something which is going to be working with internet. If something is going to be some application or some server or some system which is going to be working with internet, that is the digital world, that is the digital area. But cyber security majorly focusing on systems, networks, the same time devices. For example, in the real world you have the mobile, sir. In the real world you have the mobile. Okay, your mobile have some password, your mobile have some WhatsApp, and even WhatsApp also having some password. You are keeping some password for your mobile, for the mobile. Am I right? So that is the one kind of security. And again you have some password for this mobile. You are keeping this mobile in the locker, a digital locker. You are keeping this mobile in the digital locker, for example. Even this digital locker also having need some security. This digital locker also need some security. This is also having some passkey. Okay, your mobile already having the password. At the same time, you are keeping this one into the digital locker. In that digital locker also we will be having some passkey. Okay, where cybersecurity is going to be working on, cybersecurity is going to be focusing on protecting the systems, networks, and cyber threats such as hacking like malwares and phishing. It deals primarily with the digital. Now come to the part of information security, where the information security came into the picture. This is most important than cybersecurity. Information security is most important than cybersecurity. That called infosec. Okay, infosec, information security. And what information security majorly focusing on? What information security majorly focusing on? Okay, information security. This focuses on protecting information. Protecting information. Information is something like data. Information is something like it's kind of data. Okay, all the systems have some data, right? That information is nothing but data that I need to make secure. So information in any form, so that is like a digital, physical or verbal. Digital, physical or verbal. Okay, that may be digital, physical or verbal against 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 unauthorized accesses. Unauthorized access. Unauthorized access modification. Unauthorized access modification or destruction. Okay, information security majorly focusing on protecting the information in any form like digital, physical or verbal against unauthorized accesses or modification of your data or destruction of your data. It covers all the type of information, not just digital. It covers one more important point. It covers all types of information, not just digital, something like passwords. Okay, usernames, passwords. Okay, so that is going to be accessing that unauthorized access, nothing but some person is going to be entering into your area. Some person is going to be entering into your area. That is nothing but information security. They are stalling your information, they are modifying your information, they are disturbing your information, something like that. Am I clear, guys? So for this information security depends on majorly two things: offensive and defensive. One more is governance. Offensive, defensive and governance. Let me tell you, this information security majorly working with the three topics. One is the offensive testing, offensive 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 testing, and defensive. One more thing is defensive defensive nothing but organization, something like organize organize. And one more important thing is governance nothing but we have some rules and regulations for that. Governance. This offensive testing, defensive nothing but organize the things, and governance. Organize nothing but finding out how this came into the picture and how to track it, how to stop it, how to delete it. Okay, something like defensive. Okay, so offensive testing is different, defensive organize is different, and governance is different. We will discuss all these things in detail in the coming classes. Okay, for today this is the session regarding about the cyber security and information security, the difference between the cyber security and information security. Okay, so for this SOC you will be finding out huge number of job openings, guys. Okay, if you go to the jobs here in the LinkedIn, you just search for SOC analyst and cyber security. SOC is the part of cyber security only. Okay, cyber security. I'm searching like SOC analyst and cyber security. Let me keep search for this, search for this. You will be finding out, you will be finding out a huge number of job openings which are going to be available for associate cybersecurity area. If you go to the Naukri, for example, if I go to the Naukri, if I open Naukri, Naukri is the one more important job portal, right? Naukri is also one more important job portal where you can able to search the same keywords. You will be finding a huge number of SIAM, Corridor. There are multiple. Splunk is there, and yeah, SOC is there. Yeah, you can search for this. You will be finding out huge number of job openings nowadays. Can you see? Thousands of jobs which are going to be available for SOC. Top demanding in the market. So in the world, data is very huge. At the same time, digital systems are very huge. We want to secure the digital systems, we want to secure the organizations, we want to secure the information also. To do this, every company or every organization needed this SOC analyst. Am I clear, guys? If you search in the one more thing like Indeed, if I'm searching in the Indeed, you will be finding out again huge number of job openings which are available for this. Can you see this? Mm, take these keywords again. I want to take the same keywords here and go to the Indeed and find the jobs. You will be finding out, you will be finding out thousands of jobs. Can you see? You will be finding out thousands of jobs. If you go for one more job portal, something like shine.com, you go to the shine.com, the same keywords if I search for, same keywords if I search for, can you see huge number of job openings? Sir, jobs are very huge, sir. Jobs are very high in the demand. Cybersecurity is highly demanding in the market. At the same time, in the part of cybersecurity, IAM at the same time, SOC, even ethical hacking, penetration testing, all these are different kind of job openings which are going to be available in L1 level, L2 level, L3 level, all these things. In the coming classes, we will discuss about what is this L1, SOC L1, what is this SOC L2, level 1, level 2, level 3. That kind of things we will discuss in the coming video. And just go to the Mohansh Technologies where you can able to find out SOC. Just search for SOC here, courses, and go for SOC. Yeah, this one. You will be finding out. You will be finding out the course content available here. You can just see the course content. This is the course content what we are providing uh, from Mohansh Technologies. Okay, so stay tuned to the channel. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for the further notifications. SOC playlist is starting. We will be giving huge number of videos for the SOC related. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks for listening the session. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon, provide your comments also. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you signing off.